guys, what's up? It's Vicky. Welcome back to my little place for happy things and thoughts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY dog shampoo as part of my Pet DIYs series. So disclaimer, although this shampoo is intended to help with fleas, nothing really helps like the professional treatment that you get at the vets, like the medication or shots. Even shampoos that I've bought at the store don't help as well, the expensive ones. I've done it all, but the way I do use this is as an extra step to help prevent those pesky fleas. And also because of what I put in it, it really helps with really dirty dogs. I like especially using it after I take them to the dog park or they haven't had a shower for a really long time. It's really good at removing all of that dirt. So with that said, let me show you guys how I make shampoo for my dogs.
To make your doggy shampoo, you are going to need 1 cup of dish soap. I like using Dawn because it is biodegradable and safe to use on animals. You will also need half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is great for repelling fleas because they do not like the scent. Next, you will need 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, and this is just to moisturize your pet's skin. You are also going to need half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda is also great for repelling fleas and will leave your dog sparkling clean. And finally, you will need a few drops of essential oil. For this shampoo, I use eucalyptus, but you could use mint or rosemary. Not only does it leave your dog smelling good, but fleas do not like the smell. Once you have all of your ingredients gathered and ready, simply pour them into a large bowl. Try to use a mixing bowl that's a little bit bigger than what you're gonna pour in there, because when you do add the vinegar and baking soda, they're gonna react and create some foam that may overflow. So once you have all your ingredients in the bowl, simply mix and then pour it into a container. I kinda wish I had a funnel for this part, but I didn't, so I had to work with what I had. So if you have one, go ahead and use that. I would recommend it. Once done, you are now ready to use your doggy shampoo on your doggies. Like I said earlier, this is a really great additional step that you can take in order to prevent your doggy from getting any fleas or ticks. But nothing really helps prevent fleas like shots or the medication that your vet can provide. But nonetheless, this shampoo is a great additional step to help get rid of those pesky fleas and ticks. And it's also a much cheaper alternative. A good dog shampoo can cost you quite a bit, so I think this is an awesome, inexpensive alternative. As you can see, my dogs are not very fond of taking showers, well, specifically Ozzy. Charlie's kind of okay with it, but whenever I give them a treat, and after they take baths, they seem to be extra happy and cheerful. They start running all over, and they're sparkly clean.
And that is it. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a like, and if you're not already, if this is your first time here, subscribe so that you don't miss out on more videos. Also, click on the little notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload something. And if there's anything else that you would like to see, also let me know down in the comments section below. Any ideas for pet DIYs or any other DIY video. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, sending you all a big virtual hug, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! I'm going to be showing you guys... Charlie! Stop.